new in AgenticFlow. This is display in the chat log. Actually, you can really look into this and see. But I'm going to open and show everyone right as now. Let me refresh this page. I also share that instead. Yeah, take a moment. Wait, why? I think there's some problem that causing, so I need to. So I think let me just review what is new. What we are improving is actually we are adding a bunch of new skill to AgenticFlow. And what you can find out it one is in this one .github.agenticflow and skills. Okay, let me share this tab as well. So you should be able to see this one. And what we are adding over the week is we believe that AgenticFlow is already in a good shape of functionality, but to make it more powerful, actually we can add it one more on skill. And this is one in here. So we before I think we only have like few default skill from Anthropic, and also the AgenticFlow skill, and also the AI Safe 2 framework that we talked together with Vincent. But over the week we are actually adding a lot of like interesting skill that learning from OpenAI or other creator as well. So right now we are having 46 skill across 12 category. So it's including like AgenticFlow skill. This one you already familiar. Imagine. So this one is kind of like a optimized flow to use image generation. It's going to use agentic workflow with the image generation, or maybe local AI API provider. So it can work both using AgenticFlow, not using AgenticFlow. And one of the interesting thing is the slide deck. So you know that I really like the way that NotebookLM creating slide, but I also don't like the way that they do not allow me to prompt or changing the way that I want in a structured way, right? So I would like to have like a agent that can transforming idea into a NotebookLM style in the slide, and now we can do it. Later I'm going to show you how this slide deck works. You can call that one is AgenticFlow, NotebookLM slide creator. Okay, so this is slide deck on this part. And next one is we also having some XiaoHongShu infographic series. So this one, XiaoHongShu, is kind of like a platform in China, and also they having a lot of like kind of like a visual creation and layout, the cover image, the comic, the infographic, article illustrator. So this skill is actually adapted from a very creator. So he shared that online with the license MIT. So his name is Bao Yu. So actually you can search about him, GitHub. Let me search for this one. You can search for him is Bao Yu GitHub. You can click on here. So actually, he was sharing quite a lot of skill. It's having like 9,300 star. I start him as well. And you will see that this is, he having a lot of like good skill, and you can see. So actually it can create cute, fresh, warm, and bold, minimal, retro, pop, and notion, and trashboard. So actually we can have access to Nano Banana too, but maybe we cannot creating a very good outcome just because we are not prompting is good enough. But luckily right now we have skill, so we can actually copy the skill that Bao Yu already consolidate in here, and it can do some really good item. You know that in Instagram and also so everything, right? So these kinds of content is very addicted. So if you're looking at your wife or your children is browsing Instagram, they are browsing and also they just swipe a piece of content. So if you're using this skill, actually you can create kinds of like very good content in very easy manner. So you can create your content generation engine. That's the infographic. So he can also do some kinds of like layout review, and he making some style of the slide. So like craft handmade claymation. Wow, this is very nice, I think. Okay, yeah, this is kind of like process. So he did a very good prompting already. Actually, we can come here and clone from him, or you can also taking directly from our skill list, because actually what we are doing is we just adapting his skill into the like a catalog, so that you can easier choose the one from the ISHI app. Yeah, so this is having a lot of skill in here. And the second thing, we also incorporate the OpenAI skill list. Okay, this is wait, let's say OpenAI skill GitHub. The second source that we are incorporating is OpenAI skill. So OpenAI, they also curated a few skills that's really powerful for them. For example, like develop web game, docs, or Figma, and so on, and even like Notion and so on. So these are good skills that already curated by OpenAI. So I think that is also very useful for you as well. So what we did is we consolidate them into an AgenticFlow. The PixelML skill catalog. And actually this is a source for ISHI to browsing. So if you are having ISHI and you go into agent skill, it will load directly from this skill catalog, and then you can actually starting to use that. So allow me to share my screen on my ISHI so that I will show you like how does it look like. Okay, it's cool. Actually, I was giving an agent to do like just clone a GitHub repository about Karpathy how to research, and then I just give it a task using AgenticFlow GOM 4.5 Air, and I'm asking it to clone this repo, and then using slide deck skill to create slide about this. And it's was running for a very long time. I think I don't know why it's 17 minutes, but it actually takes quite a lot of time. Can you open it? But let's see the result. I think this is one is quite big file. Let me see. It can open.
The slide deck should now be opening in PowerPoint. You can view the 15-slide presentation about the Karpathy Auto Research Autonomous AI Research System.
Okay. I think that there's something wrong with this one. I think when we're creating, it was failing on some part, and it only able to create a few slides. So this is how you're talking to it. So it's going to kind of like creating the rest of slide. It's actually using a workflow that in my AgenticFlow workspace, and using kind of like my credit and token in order to create those images. So it actually to break down the slide instruction and then start to create a new slide on top of that. Oh, I think I have another one that, so let's give this one is running, but I think we have another one that I have. Where is Moshi? But if you can see right now, so this is the output of one of the slide that I was creating before. So it was using kind of like a GitHub repository. It's about Moshi. It is a like real-time AI dialogue, open source software. So it is actually creating what is Moshi. So key Moshi feature, full duplex, real-time, ultra-low latency, only like 160 milliseconds, inner monotone, and on how Moshi work. It is using a MIMI, which is a neural audio codec, a dual transformer, and streaming inference, and so on. And it's also available across platforms like PyTorch, Python, Rust, and web client. And finally, it's the use case. It's like real-time voice assistant, interactive dialogue system, and so on. So this one is actually the outcome of the slide deck skill that I will created. So all I did is I just asking ISHI to using the slide deck skill in order to creating a slide about this GitHub repository. So I anticipate that you can also doing the same with whatever topic that you would like to generate slide. And also NotebookLM, you have absolutely no control on how they composing a new slide and so on. This one, you have full control because actually you can talk to ISHI or maybe any of the other agent that you are using, Cloud Code or something. But you can actually telling them that, okay, this is the structure that I want, and what is the color and what is the structure. You should generate, this is instead of like 5 slides, you should generate 20 slides, for example. So those are really good one. And how you are going to install this skill in ISHI. So it's very simple. So let me show you. And actually access to skill in here, actually in new version that I'm working on in ISHI, I move here. But normally in your normal version, you can click here and you go into agent skill. It is entry to the same. And if you go here, you will see like the 46 skill that I just mentioned to you. There's a lot of thing and good thing about this one. And you just scroll down a bit and you will see that there's a slide deck skill and you click install. And basically this skill is actually like doing something like it will transform information. You can kind of like read me. The UX is not good. I'm still cooking on that. But basically what it does is that it's helping you to kind of like understand how it's going to work. And you just install. And what you did is just like what I did here. I just like tell the agent just using the skill. Let me scroll up. Just clone this repository. and then just writing understand and use slide deck. So that's all that you need to do. Just tell the agent to do it. You can using maybe another model which is good or better at the understanding, but I'm using the built-in model of the AgenticFlow GLM, and it is quite okay, and it is starting to do some part of it. So I think this is have some part is still working on this one. So it will rely on like how complex and also the AgenticFlow platform at that point. You will need to either install the AgenticFlow MCP server in here, or you install the CLI that we mentioned before, so that it can actually using. So I will recommending you to using the CLI because actually it was designed to be faster and less token consumption for the agent to use. And also because we have a lot of skill in here, so you can actually exploring them, maybe starting with some canvas design or comic, cover image, compress, and so on and so on. So these are quite good that you can use. And when you are doing and also testing in ISHI a lot, and you would like to work on AgenticFlow, what you can do is to zip the file. So you can click on this folder. This will open the skill folder of ISHI, and then what you only need to do is to use right click and zip the file of that skill, and then you upload that into AgenticFlow. So I'm going to do it slide agent, for example, like this. So what you need to do is you go into skill and you switch on, and then you click add, and you add a new skill. And then this slide deck.zip is actually exactly the same with the skill that you have. And then you should upload that. So it's going to be loaded into your AgenticFlow folder, and your agent can starting to use this. But there's one thing that I think you need to modify this one is that this skill will need to be kind of like modified a bit, because this skill was designed to be used by the CLI. So it will need a machine environment in order to run that. And in AgenticFlow, we don't have a machine because it is serverless, so it's not able to create. So some of the skill, for example, the slide deck skill, is actually might not be able to running very well because actually it's requiring a machine with a file in a file, the file accept. In order to like query the file, to run the code and so on. So you need to adapt this one a bit by like just chat to the model. I would suggest that you are using some smart model, for example, like Sonnet 4.5, and then you can ask it to modify this skill until it's done. I haven't tried it yet, but theoretically it should work that way. Just that because the environment on the cloud and also environment on your computer is totally different. So it means you need to modify. You will replacing your hard disk with the file system. You need to point this agent into a file system so that it will know like where's the source of the data. And also you need to enable the code execution. You switch on this one so that it will have an environment to do some code execution. But this slide deck is not designed to running on the cloud AgenticFlow yet, but maybe the other skill can also work as well. And what you also can modify is that you can click on plugin like this one, and for example, you equip this image to the agent, and then you would like to using a skill that say, for example, create a banner, a skill. Then instead of like using the image generation native in the skill, you can point out to the agent that, hey, I have this capability in my agent already. So instead of like using a random image generation tool, please use AgenticFlow _ generate image, and it's going to kind of like help you to replacing the part that are already working on the platform. So I think that's pretty much it. So we have quite a lot of skill, 46 skills, so it's a lot. Adapting from two very good source. One is OpenAI and one is the Bao Yu, which I saw it on the China internet. And I think this is also quite interesting to me. So I hope that it's also useful for you. All right. So I think that's it on the what's new in AgenticFlow. We're also adding some trick and small other thing in case of stability, and also adding log or some tool in order to capturing the error log, so that when someone is having some bug and so on, we can trace back. So in the next few iteration, we will still continue to doing this way as a business as usual. So Rick is going to be your contact point in the Discord. So if you have any question, please write to Rick, what he did is he going to capture that information, and then he will create an internal ticket to our backlog. And then that backlog going to be the to-do list for the team in the next iteration. So that is how we can keep to improving the platform over and over time. So I think that's it on the skill.